What you want, madam?
I'm the tail. You bring hello in the fridge.
Hello, in the fridge.
Yes, bring. Faster.
Hello, madam?
Yes,
In the fridge. In the fridge?
How many long time I'm telling yes for you? A million. No listening to me. Faster.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, Budoy. What happened? I said bring for me the hello in the fridge. Why you are not silent to me? Very good.
Hello. What hello?
You reminded me yesterday I bring sweet. Hello, the sweet.
The sweet? Hello, the sweet?
Yes. You very hard. Very hard understanding to me.
Madam, this one?
Yes. Always come back. Asking to me. Very simple. No understanding to me. No schooling. No understanding. You don't have really common sense.
What, madam? Common sense?
Why you answer me? Why?
Common sense. Common sense. You angry, but don't.
What the talking?
No.
What the talking for you? Bodoy.
Madam?
Your baro is your cash, okay? Restaurant is coming, is bringing, is my eating, okay?
You borrow your cash?
Yes.
What, madam?
Your baro your cash, is my restaurant is coming, is my food. You're the no understanding also?
What is that? You borrow your cash. Restaurant. Maybe she will borrow me.
Yeah.
Bodoy, you're the eating always.
Madam?
You always eating. You watch the eating? What's the eating now? You're watch the eating now. I'm the tail. You're watch the eating now. What are you doing? Why you're looking you're eating? I'm asking what's you're eating now? No understanding.
Yes, madam?
You're listening good, okay? Listening good. You go second floor in the terrace, you bring elevator, okay? Understand or no?
I will bring the elevator second floor.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. Like that. Always, you silent me very good. That's my helper like that. Always silent to me. Bodoy, where are you?
Madam!
Where are you? Why you go out? I'm the waiting in the terrace. Long time I'm the waiting. Where are you? Where the going you? I said bring the elevator in the second floor in the terrace. I'm the waiting there. I'm the faster, you know? Why no listening? You are not good. No understanding. Very simple English, no understanding. Bring the elevator, the long one. The step 1, step 2. Like,
You said I will bring the elevator in the second floor.
yes, I'm the waiting there. I'm the waiting long time. Silent to me. You bring the small elevator in my room. The ballastic elevator, the small one.
Elevator? Small elevator?
You and me talking very far. I am the reminder now. I am the reminder. You know? Leader.
The ladder, madam? Ladder.
Leader. Faster. Bodoy, you and me are talking now. You very hard understanding.
Okay.
You know schooling?
I'm schooling.
What time you are schooling?
What time I'm schooling?
Yes, I want to know.
7 until 4.
What? What you are the talking to me like this? You know, I'm very tired talking to you. How you're schooling? You finish your schooling?
College, madam.
Your schooling university?
University, yeah.
Your schooling finish. But no understanding what I'm talking to you. Why? What the happen? You're the always like that. Your welcome agency. You like your welcome agency? Hey, bodoy. If I'm the talking, you stand straight and silent me. Silent.
Silent to you?
Yes, silent to me.
Madam, silent.
Hey. What the talking? I'm the silent or you're the silent? You're the silent, not Madam Silent. Understand? Finish, finish, finish. Go to your job. Go to your job now. Now, you cook everything. We eat everything. Understand? Faster, faster.